The government has allocated 185 million ringgit for the repair of facilities at 358 people's housing program flats nationwide this year. Prime Minister Dato Sri Anwar Ibrahim said the effort was a priority for the Madani government to ensure that the welfare of its residents, especially the urban poor, continues to be safeguarded.
2 tahun sebelum ini 50-100 juta. Ya. Jadi sejak dalam 2 tahun ini sudah 285 juta ringgit. Tapi saya tak ada masalah itu. Kerana bukan membazir. Baik lift.
Anwar said this while officiating the community forum supported by Think City at Lembah Subang 1 PPR today. He also announced a 1.2 million ringgit allocation to repair Lembah Subang 1 PPR, focusing on faulty elevators, while stressing the importance of residents in maintaining public housing facilities.
Kalau duduk, rumah pun robek, kotor, jiran tetangga tak kenal, jadi tak ada semangat. Jadi, didikkan kita itu mula daripada keluarga. Sebab tu dalam hadis, bila kita mengucapkan selamat pengantin baru daripada baiti jannati, rumah itu syurgaku.
Meanwhile, Anwar urged the state government and local authorities to list residents living in PPR flats to ensure rental rates remain reasonable. If there were any issues arising, such as rent arrears, it should be submitted to the relevant authorities, as well as to the Assemblyman and MP, to find the best solution.